Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too. Because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It is December 13th, Tuesday, December 13th, Martes 13, as they say. It's like Friday the 13th, but in Spanish-speaking countries. All right, let's see what we got here. Gold has been kind of just ranging overnight. It looks like not too much has been happening. So that means that the happening is in front of us today. The happening is in front of us this morning. We've got news at 8:30. CPI, Consumer Price Index, is the measure of inflation. So we all look to that to see what we think the Fed is going to do in terms of raising or lowering interest rates. And, you know, it's looking like interest rates are going to continue to come down. But the question is, are they going to lower the interest rates in this next opportunity that they have, which is here in January, or are they going to put it off until the next Fed meeting? We've got the backdrop of that being that the Trump administration, or maybe Donald Trump himself, I'm not really sure, I need to look at the news, but they're suing Jerome Powell. I'm sure it's the government. They're trying to claim that he perjured himself when he testified in front of Congress about the construction and the scope of the construction of the new Fed headquarters that is apparently, you know, behind and over budget, like everything Trump has ever built. But anyway, Trump doesn't like Jerome Powell because he appointed Jerome Powell, and Jerome Powell doesn't do exactly what Trump wants him to do. So the consequences are, you know, you get sued because the thing that is most important to Trump is loyalty. And that trumps competence every time. Fortunately, we do have someone competent in Jerome Powell, someone who's had a steady hand on the wheel and has steered us through what people have been calling a soft landing of the economy after the first Trump administration. So we're going to be looking today to see if the CPI indicates that we should be raising or lowering interest rates. Just a minute here. I've got, let's see what I'm looking at here. We have the Minute Trader 4 here, and I'm trying to get this chart to be the right chart. So hang on just a moment. Go over to charts, templates. There's our template right there. Bang. Let's see if that does the trick. There it it is. Okay. All right. Price looks like it's sitting just above the daily pivot point, and looks like it did spike down below the daily pivot point. So I'm looking at this top chart right here, was a 15-minute Japanese candlestick, bullish in yellow, or as I like to call it, gold, and bearish in blue, because blue. And here we are on the 1 hour chart. Here we are on the 4 hour chart. These are our weekly pivots right here. So we're sitting above the WR1 and below the WM4. And as I said, right on the daily pivot point. Down here on the bottom, we have our daily candlestick chart. This is the daily. Yesterday, very bullish. Today has started out bearish. We have the blue line here representing the dollar. The yellow line here is the yen. The yen sometimes moves in the same direction as gold in the whatever red hot moment you're trading. That is what you want to look at, is the yen moving up or down right now. If it's moving down, you probably have you can see as you're watching the chart, you can see if it's correlated. Some days it's not correlated, but when it is, this is a great indicator. This one here, FX trend shows the strength of different time frames and movements that are expected. Then over here we have a Hakanashi candlestick chart for the 15-minute up here on top and the 5-minute here on the bottom. And then over here on the other screen of MetaTrader that I like to look at, I have the 1-minute Hakanashi chart and the Renko. The Renko is the only chart that moves based on price, not on time. So if price does not move, let's just say, for instance, price doesn't move for an hour, this chart is not going to move at all. But every time there's a little movement, then the Renko will move. Anytime there's any movement in price, not in time. Whereas on the time charts, like this 1-minute chart, every minute it will form a candlestick. If price is not moving at all, you'll just see little tiny sliver candlesticks just moving across there, right? So it will form candles even when there is no price movement. All right, here we have the 1-minute, also Hakanashi. I use Hakanashi candles. We have our indicators on here, but if we take the indicators off, you can just see that we have our pivots. That's the daily pivot. Here's the previous day point of control. That's a volume-based calculation. We have the WM4, as I said, right above us, and the WR1 right below us. Okay. In terms of the next daily pivot, the DM3 is right here. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah, that's right. DM3 is right there. Yep. Okay. Bring the indicators back on and let's go look at the 5-minute chart. So we are in a bit of a downtrend here, for the last while. If we put this on the 15-minute chart, we'll probably observe the same thing. This triangle right here was yesterday's New York Open, so I'm going to move that to today's New York Open. There it is. And I'm going to take that back to the 1-minute chart to make our final adjustments on this. So where is price right now? Let's say we're bottoming out right there and topping out right there. So that is, that's about a 8-pip range. It's a little, I like to keep these boxes, they're useful under 10 pips. If your box is bigger than 10 pips, you probably, want to figure out a way to tighten it up. Like maybe just put it, if it was, put it around something like that. The purpose of this box is just to kind of mark where you start your session, so you can, it becomes useful as you get more accustomed to trading. Is just like, okay, where were things when I sat down? What box were we trying to break out of? Are we back inside that box now? It just becomes a reference point for you, right? is if you were driving in a car or flying a plane, it's a landmark. It's a landmark that keeps you oriented. Okay, that's all we need to know for now. We're not going to take any trades, certainly not until the market really starts showing something. But after 7:30 a.m. New York time, things start picking up, so you can sit down and start looking for trades, start looking for where your next opportunity might be. We're going to set ourselves some alerts so that we know what time it is right before every half-hour candle, when there tends to be some movement about every half hour, but especially every hour. Higher time frame traders come in. You have algorithms that start trading against each other every time that hour clicks off based on where price is. The algorithm calculates what it wants to do next. It makes some moves, so you get some movement. You have to be careful though, because a lot of that movement is false moves. You know, they'll go up a little bit and then coming back down. Okay, so 7:59, I want to be alerted. I want to be alerted at 8:19 for the 8:20 COMEX open. 8:29, 8:59, 9:29, 9:59, 10:29, and 10:59. I'm not going to be here that late. I get, even if things aren't going well and I think I need to make it up during the session, after a while you get decision fatigue and you just can't keep going. Yeah, you know, your judgment falls. Okay. Let's start settling in here, actually. What do we do when we settle in? Everybody, you know what we do, right? Let's see, we do a little this. We take our webcam and we change it over to this one so you get a little behind me view. And that lets me kind of get myself into the zone. I like a little darker environment. Slide our little candle to the trading gods. Oh, speaking of the trading gods, let me find my finder here. Where's my finder? There it is. Okay. That didn't bring it up. Gotta go over here. There it is. Now those are my apps. There's my finder right there. Okay. Here we go. All right. Speaking of the trading gods, let's do this. Our little morning prayer.
Dear baby Forex Jesus, patron saint of stop hunts and spread spikes, grant me the strength to obey my two-loss rule, the serenity to ignore the chat, and the wisdom to tell an A setup from a fever dream. Deliver me from revenge trades, from FOMO disguised as intuition, and from the cursed words, just one more trade. May my fills be swift, my exits disciplined, and my internet stable at the moment of glory. If it be thy will, let the candles respect structure today. But if not, let me take the loss like an adult. Amen. And may all our drawdowns be temporary. And now let's say the secret magic phrase together. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Fu Manchu. Let the market bend, not me or you.
All right. There we go. Hope that was helpful. All right. Now I want to get my iPad open here so I can take notes with my trusty Apple Pencil. This is where I do my real-time journaling and kind of keep track of price, keep track of strength indicators and direction. Look at this, gold's saying, I think I'm going to take a trip back to the top. Okay, today, January 13. Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Now let's get the Zoom room open. Good morning.
Morning, man. How you doing?
All right, how are you?
All right. Got some news today that should move the market.
Yeah, yep, we do. Okay, that's at 8:30, right?
Yeah.
And then we have new home sales at 10, but we're not going to be trading by then. We're going to have made all the money by then.
Yeah. Then Trump speaks too.
Oh, what time's that?
I think it's 2.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see if we trade that, maybe. He's going to say some crazy stuff, probably, that's going to...
Oh, man.
He's going to say...
Unbelievable.
The bombing has begun in Greenland, or something.
Yep.
Looks like we might get Cuba and Iran to collapse, though. That'll change the world.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
Next stop, Starbucks, Havana. All right, let's see. Trade copy.
Trading tight.
What's that?
Trading tight again from same thing from last night.
Yeah. Although this run up wasn't bad.
Where did it run from? Let's see.
79 to 90 right now.
Yeah. That's it, I guess. Look at the 15-minute chart. The 79 to... Yeah, 92, somewhere in that area. That's the channel today.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be. $93.
Gonna break through this. It's on a tear here.
On a swing high on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's been rejecting it.
Yeah, it's got momentum. Look at those candles. Those candles on the 1 minute are still pretty bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna push on through. Well, anyone with the foresight to have taken that trade from the bottom is done for the day.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I would have been a nice from 79 up to where we are now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 15, 20-minute trade.
Yeah. Wow. If this is
Why does my, it's weird. Look at your FX Blue. Tell me what your goal says.
FX Blue, well, I have not refreshed it this morning, so it might not be. Mine says gold is plus 4.5. US dollar, yeah, it's moving. Plus 3.8 right now. Dollar plus 2.3.
Okay.
Fellas.
Hey, man.
All right,
What's up, E-Man?
Made it, man.
You trade last night?
Uh, yeah. I did, but I traded from my phone.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, and I regret doing it. I was at the hospital, man. You know, they had surgery on my brother last night.
Oh, they did. How you doing?
He doing good. He doing good. Quick, right there's the restaurant.
Both the dollar and gold are getting a little weaker.
Yeah.
Dollar says it's going up. Yields are going up. So this gold ought to be coming down. But that ain't what. That's not what happened.
Trying to break this 93 zone, but that resistance is strong. it's coming down because of the resistance on there.
Yeah. We have about 3 minutes and 15 seconds for the 8 o'clock candle, so that will.
Yeah, that'll tell us.
Yeah.
What? Minutes, maybe it'll push through it. I don't know.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute for the. Oh, there it went.
Yeah.
Thirty seconds.
Y'all didn't get in with a buy yet?
Deep breaths,
No.
deep breaths, deep breaths. Now, not that's how close to 8. It's 20 seconds to 8 to the 8 o'clock candle. You in a buy, man?
Nah.
Be careful. 10 seconds. We got 8:30 news too, so this might not give us much. There's 8. What's it gonna do?
And do nothing.
No, but it has strength. When we hang on. I think it's gonna give us a little push up here, at least to the point of control, which is at 45.97.
I think it's coming down.
I think you're right. Now I changed my mind.
Yeah, that resistance. If you look at the 15-minute pivot chart, look at the there's 3 resistance lines on it, right? Right above one stepping stone. It's kept it there for quite some time.
On the 1 minute, you said?
15-minute
On the
pivot.
15-minute. Oh, yeah, I see.
Look at the pivot. You see how those 3 stepping stone resistance lines are?
Yeah,
And count back all those candles.
yeah, yeah. That's
That's
pretty.
quite a few hours. So it's
Yeah,
going to need some catalyst to really knock it through.
yeah.
Or just might stay here until 8:30.
8:30. Yeah.
Gold is stronger than the dollar. So technically we should be going up.
Yeah.
You said what was 97? Point of control?
Yeah.
And then 99 is WM4.
Yeah. The buying pressure's there. It's just all getting absorbed.
Yeah. We can sneak some sells in, but you don't want to get caught on the wrong side.
Yeah. Yeah. That 90. We've gone from 92 to 96 just here in this little grind.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit the point of control right now.
That would have been worth taking.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's go back here to what the news is going to be at 8:30. So core CPI month over month, CPI month over month. So both of those are going to be important. Projected, it doesn't say. Oh, projected is 0.3%. So if it comes in hot, it's going to drive gold down. If it comes in under, it's going to drive gold up. I think it's going to come in hot. Just my gut feeling. I have nothing to base that on. Just it feels like inflation is not under control, and if anything, tariffs and all this uncertainty is adding to it. So inflation coming hot, drive gold down.
It's like it really wants to go up, man, but
Yeah.
it's just can't.
Yeah. Worst thing would be that it just grinds through all this resistance all morning and doesn't really give us any good trades.
Right. I was back down to like 93 or 92. I'll probably take a trade back up.
Point of control right now. Got this yellow line on my Renko right here. Do you see that? And it's also on the 1 minute, but it's a little higher.
What do you mean, the dotted line?
Yeah, this dotted yellow line.
What is that?
I don't know. But it always
Looks
seems
like
to respect it. I think it has to do with this
No,
indicator up here.
It's part of the gold indicator.
Yeah.
That's the one I was telling you about.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that gold level, gold indicator. See something?
Right at the WM4 right now. Still wants to push.
Yeah, it's creeping though.
Yeah.
It's also at the what is this thing? Bear volume.
Yeah. Right. Exactly. WM4 bear volume coinciding. I'm gonna grab something to drink. I'll be right back. I need like a fifth of vodka or something. Okay.
Pushing.
All right. All right. Yeah. Didn't love that. I just took 20. I shouldn't have gotten into that probably.
That was an impulse.
Yeah.
Gold's gotten stronger though. Let's see where we are. Now we're running to that second resistance. We're still at the WM4 basically. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I should have stayed in.
You got in, Tono?
Yeah, I'm in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the value area high right now. And a bear volume on the 10-second.
I'm in.
There we go.
And I'm out.
I took 90.
Nice. Giving us a little something for the news. All right.
Yeah. Not too bad. Oh, and there's the drop. There it is. Now it's hit the top and needs to come down a little bit. Well, I thought I took 90. I got slipped to 50.
50.
Yeah.
That's a big slip.
Yeah.
8:15. What was that? It opened up.
We got 8:20 COMEX opens.
Comics.
Retail traders are 50-50 right now. 40 seconds for the open. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. COMEX.
Hmm.
Nobody's going to do anything now for the next 10 minutes, 9 minutes. Taking any trades, E-Man? What's that chart you have right there in the middle, right in front of your face, Tono? That one with the you see on the side of your like right in front of you. There's a big bar on the left side of a chart that's kind of moving up and down. Is that your Renko right there? No.
Come on, this chart. This chart.
No. The next one over.
This one.
No, not that one. The one right next to it, to the right.
This one here.
Yeah.
This is the what is this? Trade locker.
Oh.
Trade
okay.
locker.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
That's where you execute off of.
Off trade locker, and the one underneath it is that's one of my execution, and then the one underneath is the other prop firm. So these are my props here, and then my MetaTrader is here, and the other 3 MetaTraders are on the screen you can't see, which is the laptop screen, which I have Zoom on.
Oh yeah.
So it's working, and they're working behind it.
And is your laptop the one powering these screens in front of you, or you got 2 computers running?
No, laptop is powering everything now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ones on top too?
Yep.
Yep. Nice.
Yeah.
It's a good looking setup. That's a good looking setup.
Thanks, man. Five minutes. Gold's gotten stronger. Dollar's gotten a little stronger too.
Yeah.
It's much weaker than gold.
Oh, that drop.
Nice little drop.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back.
You missed everything, man.
Okay. All right, a minute and 45 seconds for this news to drop. Can't believe we're at 4,600. Jesus.
Yeah.
I bought a little physical gold earlier in the year. I mean, not very much, tiny bit, but guess it was the right thing to do.
Yeah.
All right. Well, and also silver. I bought a bunch of silver and, well, not a bunch, but, you know, I bought, I don't know, like 20 coins or something like that. It's
That's
also
good, huh?
It's also gone up a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, couple minutes to 8.
Yep. 30 seconds for the news. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not even out yet. Bad for gold, or bad for the dollar. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Ah, that piece of crap. I swear I clicked out of that at 120.
Oh, no, what you get?
50.
They're jerking you now.
Yeah. Who's taking this back down with me?
I don't know if I want to ride it down.
Yeah. I don't want to get cavalier. Deep breaths.
Come back and
Deep
take
breaths.
it back up again.
Yeah.
It hit 12, right?
It hit
the DM3.
It hit 12.6. Yep.
I thought it went a little higher.
Or the WM3. No, DM3 it hit.
Yep.
Yeah, and rejected it. Tell you, man, what you gotta do is watch your pivots.
Yeah.
I like the point of control thing you have too. It's spot on too.
Yeah. Both the point of control, if you look here on my chart, it reacted to the point of control and the value area high, which is the next pivot up right there, which happens to coincide. No, it doesn't coincide with anything. Just also, it's a good level.
Yeah.
All right, so CPI, basically bad for dollar. Building permits, whoa, way down. Projected, oh, that's Canada. Oh, never mind. Still, I think probably impacted. for it to break this DM3.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh, hold on a second. Let me mute this. Hang on.
Dropped out.
That was a weird trade.
Yeah.
Should have kept going.
Yeah.
I thought about taking it too, but something didn't feel quite right about it. I think we were still on this resistance on the 1 second at 16.
Yeah.
Gave me pause. Gold lost a lot of strength. Half of it.
Yeah.
I'm sort of not really sure what it wants to do now.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of feels like it still wants to go up, but at the same time, it's going to trap some people.
Yeah.
And I don't want to be one of them.
Yep.
I'm at 291 for the day. And if it was at 290, I might be able to live with that.
That one throwing you.
That $1 is gonna fuck my whole day up.
You gotta see 300 now.
I can't leave it on an odd number like that. You know what I mean? So now it's gonna ruin my whole fucking night. Ugh. Because when it starts to feel like you're pulling teeth, that's when it's time to stop. And I have no clue what it wants to do right now. And when I'm like that, I'm gambling at that point.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Because I got a bad feeling this is going to drop like a brick and it's going to be a lot of people caught on the wrong side of it. But with all the shit that's going on in the world, there's no reason for it to, which means it'll just be manipulation, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Which is how I got caught yesterday.
Yeah. You got caught on a buy or sell?
On a buy. And getting out that hedge took me down through there. It's been trading like this all this year to me. This month to me ain't been fun at all.
No, it's been a good what do you mean?
I put a lot of money in there and then it seemed like it'll just turn around on me. It just for no reason.
You're not watching it correctly then. You gotta, you know, you gotta pace it. Just like right now, we could be throwing in some buys, but Jesus, I mean, I don't know what the hell's going on. If it breaks 16, I'm back in on buys. You know what I mean? Or if it
Yeah.
comes back down to 46.09, I'll probably throw in a buy, go back up to 16. But other than that, it's kind of trading very iffy. See what it wants to do. They're gonna break 16.
Sure hope so.
Being rejected again. Yep.
I don't like these little resistances on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I didn't really see them. You're right. Is there anything above it? No, right? No.
You still in that, Tono?
I'm out. Yeah. I'm good now. I can actually walk away and go to sleep.
All right.
Yeah. Would like to round off at 500, but I don't think it's going to happen for me today. We might be heading back up to the 630, 4630, man.
We made a new all-time high here.
Today?
Yeah, right now.
No, all-time high is 30, not 20.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Look at the look at your trading view chart.
Oh yeah.
We gonna break 20, people? We got 29 WR2 or 27 MM4.
28.8 is where I have the WR2 and the MM4 at 4630.
Your MM4 is 46 what?
4630.7.
Wow, mine is 27. That's kind of
wait a
pip
minute.
difference.
Let me maybe I got mine. No, 4630.77 is where I have my MM4.
That's the all-time high, basically. You're selling or buying, Mike?
Selling. It's got out with 30 because it wasn't didn't drop the way I thought it was.
might call it. I don't really feel what it's doing right now.
Okay.
You guys staying on?
I'm going to stay on for a bit, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I would take only your buys until this thing changes over. I wouldn't get caught on the sell, Mike.
Yeah.
I'm still in my buy. I didn't get out.
You didn't get out?
Nah, I'm in at 19 from yesterday.
Oh, from yesterday.
Yeah, I probably should have got out when I had a $2 profit.
Yeah, it's better to get it clean and just get out.
I know it.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys tonight, all right?
All right, Tono. Have a good one.
All right, fellas. Take care.
All right. Dang.
I just took a sell.
Yeah, may not be a bad thing.
Might be. Don't speak too soon. Don't jinx me here.
Yeah, right. Right now, it's just all over the place, bro.
Yeah. God damn it. God damn it. Should have gotten out. Yeah, motherfucker. My nerves are shot. I think I gotta quit here in a minute. Let me just see where I am.
Yeah. Like it's not even going down right, you know?
Yeah.
It's choppy. Any minute this thing trying to turn around. That type of movement right there.
Yeah. One minute for 9 o'clock. Nine o'clock, nothing happened.
Yeah. Like that's where we gonna be.
Yeah.
It determines what it's gonna do.
All right, I'm going to get up and stretch my legs for a few minutes. I'll be right back.
All right.
Hey.
I didn't know you was back on.
What's that?
I said I didn't even realize you was back on.
Oh, yeah, here I am.
Well, I guess I call it, man. It ain't I'm just hedged up right now. I'm gonna let it go.
Yeah.
Top. And then fall back down, get me out.
All right, I'm gonna stick around here until just after 9:30, and then I'm gonna call it myself.
All right.
Have a good one, man.
I mean,
all right. See ya. Get the draft up there. Piece of shit. I'm in trouble. Keep falling, asshole. God. Get the fuck out. Motherfuck! Ah! Well, that's about all I can do today. I'm not going to keep trading. As you saw there, I took a loss. It was positive for me there for a minute, and then I took the loss. Regroup, come back tonight. So thanks for hanging out. See ya.